Hello and welcome to our Data Analytics Masterclass. But before we start, I'd like to ask you for a quick favor. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video so that you can get more videos whenever we make them available. And that liking of this video is also going to help other people to know that this video exists, because those algorithms are going to help us in reaching out to more persons. Thank you. Now, the question is, why are we in this class today? One of our learning outcomes in this class today is to see how we will equip you with professional level training in data analytics and try to empower you to showcase your expertise through impressive portfolio-ready projects. Our comprehensive curriculum for this class is designed to prepare you for industry-recognized certifications from giants like Microsoft, Google, and also open doors to exciting career opportunities as either a junior or a senior data analyst or even a data scientist. Now, get ready to embark on a transformative journey into the world of data with us. So the question is, what is data? Let's break it down at the very granular level and at a fundamental level for us to understand. Data in its raw form, data consists of unorganized facts and figures. However, when processed, it transforms into valuable information, insights that helps illuminate the world around us, gives us insight about things that we did not even thought of at the earlier stage of what it could possibly be that this data is speaking to us on. Now, think of data as the raw material we gather from diverse sources such as survey, experiment sensors, social media posts, or just imagine it as some form of abstract information that we gather with so many tools, and then we really want to make good sense of it. Now, to make sense of this vast landscape of data, which we talked about, we categorize this data into three main types: structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Now, structured data is neatly organized, like information in a spreadsheet, like the one we have in our Microsoft Excel, while unstructured data is more of a free form, and usually it's like a text in an email. The semi-structured data falls somewhere in between, possessing some organization, but not as rigid as structured data. And so it's good for us to understand these distinctions, and it's crucial that we delve deep into what data analytics is all about. So the question is, what is data analytics? Let's define the core of our discussion. Data analytics, it's usually the scientific process of extracting valuable insights from raw data, enabling us to make informed decisions, tackle complex challenges. Imagine having a treasure trove of information at your disposal. And as a data analyst, the key to unlocking that is going to be a big gem for you. By applying analytical methods and techniques and using several analytical tools, we uncover patterns, we uncover trends and correlations that might not be immediately apparent because of the fact that some of that information might be in its raw form, known as data. This insight empowers us to understand the past, interpret the present, and even, predict the future, ultimately driving better outcomes in different business domains that we might have to use the data that we extracted to make better insights on. So the question is, why does data analytics matter so much? In today's data-driven world, the answer is clear. Data has been dubbed as the new oil, signifying its immense value and potential. Data is very important to every day-to-day running of any organization that wants to harness the power of data to gain significant competitive edge. They can make decisions, organizations can make decisions usually based on concrete evidence rather than relying solely on intuition. This leads to more effective strategies, streamlining operations, and ultimately increasing profitability. Moreover, data analytics fuels innovation by revealing untapped opportunities within the insights that information is providing, and it's going to be driving growth. It is not just about crunching numbers, it's about transforming raw data into actionable intelligence that propels business forward. And so one of the things that we've realized is that it helps for better efficiency and optimization, and also increase innovation and drives opportunity that brings growth to every business. In the realms of data analytics, there are many players, but for the purpose of this class, we'll just streamline it into two basic key players, right? And the first player that we're going to be talking about is the data analyst. While their roles usually are very similar, they also have distinct focus and skill sets. The data analyst excels at analyzing existing data to uncover trends and insights. They possess strong analytical skill sets and are proficient in tools like SQL, Excel, and data visualization tools. Their work involves collecting, cleaning, analyzing data, accumulating in the creation of reports and visualizations that effectively communicate their finding. On the other hand, the data scientist delves deeper into the data, building models, algorithms to predict future trends and solve complex problems. They are skilled programmers, often working with languages like Python and R, and they possess a very strong foundation in statistics and machine learning. Their expertise lies in developing and deploying machine learning models, conducting an experiment, and also optimizing algorithms to extract the most value from any data that might be given to them to extract information from. So now let's talk about the financial rewards here. For anyone embarking on data analytics, take, for example, in Canada, the average salary for a data analyst is an impressive $91,000 plus on an average. And the entry level is at about 65,000. The compensation is even more lucrative with the fact that the more the person becomes more experienced, he earns about 140 and above. Now, this is just average salary ranges. The data scientist earns about an average of 135 to about 146. Now, this is strictly for Canada. Now, for the US, it ranges between 82,000 to about 120,000 USD. And this is just to note that there is always room for better negotiation, especially when that person is more experienced as they grow in that field. Now, the truth of the matter is that there is plenty of job for data analysts out there. There is plenty of job for anyone who wants to understand and be a data analyst using tools such as Power BI, SQL, and Microsoft Excel. Now, we do have a few certifications that are in demand that helps project or validate your skills. We have certifications such as the Microsoft Certified Power BI PL 300. We have the Google Data Analytics certification. We have the AWS Data Analytics Specialty certification. We have the CompTIA. We also have that of the Tableau as well. These are all vendor-specific certifications. They only just help to validate the knowledge that you'll be gaining from this class. And part of the things that we'll be doing in the series of this class is that we will be building you up to be able to write the certifications. Just to mention, this video is specifically one out of the series, many series that we will be delivering to you on data analytics. What are some of the tools that we'll be working with in this class? For better understanding of what we'll be doing, we'll be working with tools like R, Tableau, Python, Excel, Power BI, and a couple of other tools as well. So while I'm going to be rounding up this video, I want you to understand that anyone can be a very good data analyst as long as you can analyze things in your everyday life and you can have a second opinion about things, especially when you gather data in your mind and then you are able to process them. So on that note, we want to end this first session in the series of many other videos that we will be having. And we would like to encourage you to make sure you check the link below to be able to subscribe to our bootcamp that we'll be having in a couple of days from now. And if you click on the link, you might be able to get some benefits, such as discounts to be able to attend the masterclass, that bootcamp that we'll be having. So I encourage you to also subscribe to this channel and see you in the next class.